hunter, and today we are going apartment shopping. Which means that for the cost of renting an entire home for myself back in the suburbs of Chicago, I will be living in a broom closet. So the first showing is like an hour, and I live 30 minutes away, and I am starving, so we need to get a move on, as some may say. So you may have come to the conclusion that because I am wearing long sleeves and long pants and my Docs, it is a cool day outside. But don't be fooled. I'm merely melting for the sake of fashion and self-validation. So after a little bit of a skate, it looks like we're here. I gave the guy a call and he said he's running a little bit late, so I guess we'll just hang out for about 10 minutes or so. But it looks real cute. So unfortunately in Venice, that's kind of what you gotta expect. I mean, their beach houses are literally right on the beach, so you're gonna pay a premium anyways, but man, since anyone will just rent these, their quality's just not there, unless you want to pay a ridiculous amount. Also, I'm skating in my Docs, which is just not, as you can see, not the best idea. So I've got about 30 minutes to make it to the next one, which isn't so bad. So once again, I somehow managed to arrive early, which I thought I was going to be kind of late for this one, so I guess that's pretty good news. But now I gotta sit here for 10 minutes while I wait for them. Whoa! Now I gotta sit here for 10 minutes while I wait for them to get here and check out the unit. I really hope this one is a little bit better than the last one. The last one was super tiny for one. Didn't even have an AC unit or heat, I don't think. I think you're kind of just on your own there. And then the bathrooms were dirty and the paint was all messed up. I mean, it's just not a good look for... That first one that I had shown you was $1,400, and that's with only water and trash included, so that means you have to pay for gas and electricity, which are like the main utilities here. So maybe, I actually don't know, but maybe like an extra $100 for that. And then internet, which I need that good internet, you know. So maybe an extra like 60 or so bucks. So $1,560 for that basic little ass apartment. It just ain't it. It's just not it. Nah, but what you gonna do about it? Again, I don't know. I mean, there's no laundry on site. Super small. Price is way better, and you get the second one free, which might be in my favor in the grand scheme of things, but there's no AC, again, no heat. Also kind of annoying that he had everybody come at the same time and not book them out one by one for the sake of COVID. Whatever.